Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I don't have much of a sweet tooth, but during the summertime, it's different. When it's hot outside and I want a little treat, I go for an ice cream. Yum! Come on, who doesn't like that? I've been sharing many of my cold treat recipes with you, and here's another one to add to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my strawberry ice cream. This is a great ice cream, and it tastes even better when it's made from scratch. It's creamy, velvety, and so easy to make. The berry season is here, so do yourself a favor and make this lovely summer cold treat. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, we'll add strawberries that have been washed, hulled, and halved, and then some sugar. We'll stir to coat and let them sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll set the oven at 350 degrees. So, 15 minutes later, the fruit will start to release its juice. What we'll do is to transfer the strawberries onto a baking dish lined with parchment paper using a slotted spoon. We won't discard the liquid accumulated in the bowl. We'll keep it for later. Alright? Next, we'll transfer the strawberries to the preheated oven, but we'll reduce the temperature down to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll cook them for 20 minutes before turning the pan around and roast them for another 30 minutes. You probably wonder why we put them in the oven. Well, unless you own a dehydrator, this step will help to withdraw some moisture so we don't end up with little ice crystals in the ice cream. Also, this will intensify the flavor of the strawberries. Alright, so half an hour later, we'll remove the strawberries from the heat and we'll see that some of them have started to dehydrate. We'll gently stir the strawberries and return them to the oven for 15 minutes. But we'll increase the heat back to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the remaining time. When time is up, we'll remove them from the heat and transfer the fruit and its juice, including the one from earlier with the sugar, to the bowl of a fruit processor. We'll process until smooth, about 15 seconds. It won't take that long. We'll transfer the mixture into a large bowl, and to this, we'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk, pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of fleur de sel, which you can buy at any specialty store. Otherwise, if you can't find it, substitute ground sea salt. Then we'll stir the ingredients until well incorporated, cleaning the sides of the bowl, and set aside for now. Next, we'll make the whipped cream. I won't go into details about it, but if you want more info about making perfect whipped cream every time, click on the top right corner of your screen. So, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add heavy cream and powdered sugar. With the whisk attachment, we'll process until stiff peaks form, which won't take too long. Voila! Just like this. Now, what we'll do is to scoop half of the whipped cream into the strawberry mixture and gently fold it in. Then we'll take the strawberry mixture and add it to the remaining whipped cream. We'll do the same by folding the ingredients together until well blended and fairly smooth. Next, we'll take a loaf pan that has been chilled and pour the mixture into it. We'll level it out with a spatula, cover with plastic wrap, then foil, and transfer to the freezer until hard, about 6 to 8 hours. And my friends, this is how strawberry ice cream. Deliciously smooth and creamy, this cold treat is so refreshing on a hot summer day. The beauty of this recipe is that it's no churn, but you can also use an ice cream maker if you prefer. I'm telling you, After making it, you won't be buying it from the store anymore. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!